10배가. This is, of course, before airplanes took over as primary means of travel. Queen Mary set speed records in transatlantic passage of 30 knots, which is even impressive by today's standards. During World War II, the Queen Mary served as a military personnel carrier, and due to her size and speed, she was able to carry Over to our left, you can see a small island. This is one of 4 man-made oil islands here in Long Beach Harbor. Oil was first discovered in Long Beach back in 1938. These 4 islands are known as the Thumbs Islands. That's THUMS. Initials stand for the 5 oil companies that originally developed the islands: Texaco, Humboldt, Union, Mobil, and Shell Oil. All 4 islands work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, each one pumping over 170,000 barrels of oil each month. The island you see on the right is Oil Island Freeman. And also in Long Beach Harbor, we have Oil Island Chaffee down the coast to our right. Coming up ahead shortly is Oil Island White, and then Oil Island Chaffee This is just off a shoreline village we'll be passing last. These islands were named after astronauts who died in service of our country. From an experimental jet plane crash in 1964, and then the astronauts christened Chappie and White in the ill-fated Apollo 1 mission. The city of Long Beach got some feedback from some of the owners of waterfront homes up on Ocean Boulevard about their appearance. So they told the Thumbs Company they'd have to do something to beautify the island. So they covered up the large oil derrick with a structure designed to look like a small apartment building. Walt Disney Imagineers assisted in the design of the buildings, and on the shore side of the island they have waterfalls that light at night to further beautify the islands and to hide the oil tanks and pipes used in production of oil. Trees and bushes were added for further landscaping, and when you view the islands from the shore they take on the appearance of a resort island. City after one of the first developers of the area, Mr. William Wilmore. Mr. Wilmore left the city around 1882, and so the citizens decided to change the name to Long Beach after the long stretch of beach at the shore. So the city began to sink, some as much as 26 feet into the ground. So oil companies had to come up with a solution. So they developed the process of pumping seawater back into the oil well as they're pumping oil out, solving the problem. This is now a solution used by oil companies worldwide, after first being developed right here in Long Beach. Also, if you have any trash, please do us a favor. Make sure you have any trash gets put in the trash can. And also, once the boat gets signs alongside the dock, we tie up and secure. We'll put the ramp down, and then we'll let you know that it is safe to disembark the boat at that time. Also, we hope you had a good time on the harbor cruise this afternoon. So if you did, and you felt the crew did a good job, we have a small tip jar for you on the way out. Tips aren't mandatory, but they're greatly appreciated by the crew. So on behalf of the crew and Christina and Harbor Breeze Cruises, we'd like to thank you for coming out today. Hope to see you on another harbor cruise, or maybe even a whale watch.
Private